Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create the CTA pop-up timeline action using GoToWebinar. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, let's open your timeline where you want to create the timeline action for. And from here, just click on Create Action. So this CTA pop-up timeline action has to happen within the webinar's time frame. So if your webinar runs for 10 minutes, the timing of the timeline action should be within the 10-minute time frame. So I'll be setting this to a minute after the webinar has started. And then let's select registrants. And let's select go to webinar, select CTA pop-up. So as you can see here, you can enter your CTA pop-up headline and then your sub headline. And let's show the countdown. And there are six styles you can select from, but let's just select style one. So this is how it would look like when it comes up on your webinar. So this is the headline, the sub headline, and then the countdown direction. You can either select count up or count down. I want it to count up. And the location, you can select either top or bottom. So I have it set to bottom. So once you're satisfied with everything, just click on create. Oh, sorry. We have to go back up. And if you disable the hide pop-up, this will display until the end of the event. If you enable it, you can set the time frame. For example, you want it to end after a minute of it popping up. So you just put in here 2 minutes. But in this case, I want it to show until the end of the event. So once that is done, just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added the timeline action. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.